Hello, this is what I do on Sundays. Every other Sunday, I take my cilantro and I wash it, then take the leaves off the stems, tie up the stems with the string because this way you can use them for soup. Those stems have a lot of flavor in them, they're bursting with flavors. Okay, so back to the leaves. I'm going to let them dry, and once they are dry, they're going to go in preheated oven for 4 minutes, and then I'll show you what happens after that. Once your leaves are dry, you can pick the cilantro leaves and put them on top of the aluminum sheet. Make sure the leaves are not piled up on top of each other. They have to be very evenly spread. They are spread out nicely. Anytime I buy cilantro, I don't want it to go bad because after a few days what happens is it's not fresh anymore. So first 2 or 3 days I use it as fresh, and usually after third or fourth day, that's it. I wash it, take the leaves off, dry the leaves. My oven is ready and I'm going to put them in oven for 4 minutes. Make sure you preheat your oven too. And this is what you get after 4 minutes. Very fragrant and crisp dry leaves. You can hear the crisp. Okay. Okay, you can thank me later. When you do that, this is the shelf life for this cilantro leaves, dry leaves. It's forever. It's like it's not going to expire. It's dry and it keeps the color. That's why I love it so much. It's fragrant, it's dry, and it keeps its color. Try this, and like I said, you can thank me later because this way you will never waste your dhania again. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. That's how I store it. I keep it in a jar, airtight jar.